Sneaker notes if we talking about kicks.
You know the vibes.
Cartier for the win. Good morning. Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. Thank you for checking me out, man. As you can see, we're not in the sneaker room today. You've seen how I started the video. It's a little bit of foreshadowing. The Jordan 1 Retro Game Royal Game, whatever. They keep remixing them names. Nike gave me exclusive access on them, so those are coming soon. That should be the next video, but I'm thinking about doing something before that one. But we already know what it's been for Jordan lately. We already got Jordan 6 DMPs. These are actually my sons. I showed y'all that review. Go on the archives, check that review out for the men's size. But today we're here to talk about the Jordan 5s. Well, not these ones. These are the ones that came out years ago. We're here to talk about these ones. The Jordan 5 Fire Reds. These came out Saturday. I actually got these with the shop that Nike did when The Last Dance premiered. But with the shipping, the whole coronavirus situation, these just got to me. I ain't mad. I knew the bag was secure, so it doesn't matter. But we're gonna get into this review today. Definitely check it out. Compare it to the ones that came out, I think 2013, and I also want to compare them to these ones right here, the Jordan 5 Lab 5s. I feel like this sneaker does not get the recognition it's supposed to get in our sneaker community. Give me a thumbs up if you think so. Give me a thumbs up if you own these. But like I said, the video was on the latest Jordan 5 Fire Red Retros. Clean, super clean in hand. So let's get into that review as soon as possible. But before we do that, you already know we do here in Sneaker Notes. It's the What's on Foot segment. This is part of the video with you, the viewer. Go down in that comment section below and let your boy know what you rocking on foot when you caught this video. Today I'm all blued out, so I went, and you know The Last Dance has me like thinking of all the classic Jordans I had. So I threw in the Space Jam 11s. I hardly get to wear those. Somehow Jordan 11s like fell out of my favorites from time to time. Maybe because of the colorways, but on foot today I got in the Space Jam Jordan 11s. You know, the one with the little blue man at the top and all that. In that comment section below, let me know what you got on foot when you catch this video. And without further ado, hit the music. Unboxing time. Boom. So JB Jordan brand. Kept it OG with your regular Jordan 5 box, with your cement prints at the bottom. Little black around the sides. Big red Jumpman at the top. Flip open the lid. It also still has that classic wax shopping bag paper. And here go your Jordan 5 Fire Reds. OG. I mean, if you've seen one, you've seen them all. You know what I'm very happy about? We got that Nike Air back on the back. I feel like it shouldn't be a Jordan sneaker without that Nike Air on the back. Y'all been watching The Last Dance. That's the originator. Start at the bottom. The iciest of soles, man. The sole is so icy. Speaking of icy, as you see the bottom, the outsole, icy. Your window there, icy. But we already know what happens to these. Once they get too much sunlight exposure, they start to yellow just like my old pair here. That happens to have the Jordan Man on the back. But getting back to the pair that released this Saturday, nothing really different from your OG. You have your 3M tongue. Can't say Jordan 5 without a 3M tongue. Your ice on your shoestrings. And overall a clean, dope shoe, man. I think the insoles in the 2013 pair were red. In the new pair, the 2020 pair, you have Nike Air in black. So we can get y'all to get that in there. Let me check the 2013 pair. No, actually, 2013 pair also has a black insole too, but instead of saying Nike Air, as the Jordan Man. So basically, the theme between the last time the Jordan 5s came out and the new pair that we have here is just the Jordan difference. The new pair, Nike Air, Jordan Man, Jordan Man, Nike Air, Jordan Man. That's the biggest difference overall. I mean, if you're a sneaker collector, you definitely have to have a Jordan 5 in your collection. Fire Red doesn't have to be the go-to. You have the grapes that I like, the metallic black, which is my favorite, and even some of the new ones like the Virgil Abloh Off-Whites. And as I told y'all before, a sneaker that I don't think get enough recognition, Jordan 5 Labs, man. This sneaker was sought after when they first released. It was like a grail, a hype sneaker. But then they came out with like I think a grayish blue one, and then that's when everything started tumbling down. One of my favorite sneakers, one of my favorite Jordan 5s, because first, you don't have that window there that can yellow. That's number one. Then the whole creation, the whole edge sketching around the sneaker, give it that like reptile look was super dope. I do wish they gave us a 3M tongue, but you can't beat this leather on this tongue. But overall, with these Jordan 5s, super clean, man. I do wish they gave us another pair of shoestrings, maybe a black or a red. The 3M tongue hits, man. That's like the highlight of the shoe for me. In the comment section, let me know if you cop. I mean, it's restock after restock after restock. You should have this pair by now if you wanted it. Yeah, man, Jordan 5 Fire Reds. I'm your boy Cinos. Everybody, get rich.
You know I'm trying to get rich, baby.
You know how it go. I just hit a mean lick and get low. I do this for real, y'all for sure. Drippin' ice, man, slim and Bentley doors. Yeah, you know. Sneaker notes if we talking about kicks.
I know the vibes.